Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 6. We'll see the exercise 14.3, which is very small exercise. Before starting the exercise, now let us see some of the things which are covered in that exercise. And this is the diameter. So diameter means this circle. So this is the center of the circle. So diameter will be always passing to the center of the circle. Now this is the chord. See, this is the center of the circle. So chord, you can see the difference between diameter always passes to the center. This is outside it's not passing to the center. Now this part is called the arc of a circle, that is APB. So we can call this as an arc. Now the quadrant. Quadrant means suppose this one, or we can say this part, or this part, or this part. So that is called the quadrant of a circle. Now this is the center. So this part is called the sector. Now regarding the segment. So this is the center of the circle. This one, if you draw a line like this one, so this is the small part is called the minor one, and the more than the half, that is called the major segment. So major segment is this part, and this is the minor segment, or it can be anyways. It can be like this. This will be minor one, and this is going to be the major one. So now let us start the exercise. Name the shaded region in the given circle. So these are the circles given. So this is the shaded one. So this is the, as I told you earlier, this is the minor segment. Now you can see this is the shaded one. So this is the major segment. Now this is called the sector, and this part is called the quadrant. So with the white one, these are the answers of it. Name the parts of the given circle. So this is the circle given. So they said Mn is the dash of the circle. So where you can see Mn is here. So this is the chord of the circle. Rs is the dash of the circle. This is Rs, but you can see the arrows, and this is outside here. So this is called the secant of the circle. PQ is a dash of the circle. So you can see PQ, and it is passing to the center. The PQ is here, and it is passing to the center. So this is the diameter of the circle. XY. So XY is here. So you can see this is touching the circle at one point. So this is called the tangent of a circle. OQ. Now you can see OQ. OQ means this is the half part of it from the center. So this is always the radius. Or if it is PO, this also, if somebody asks you this also is going to be the radius. A line segment joining any point of the circle to its center is called a, now this is the circle, this is the center, a line segment joining any point of the circle. So it can be this way, or it can be this way, or it can be this way or this way. So that is called the radius of the circle. A line segment joining any 2 points of a circle. So any 2 points, suppose we take this and this point. This is the center of it. So this is called a chord. Dash of a circle is its longest chord. So always the diameter is going to be the, either it be like this or it be like this. This is also called the diameter. This is also the diameter. It can be anyways, but that is the longest chord. Dash is a line touching a circle only at one point. So it can be, this is the point. So it will be like this. It is touching the circle, or it can be like this. Anyways, so that is the tangent. The tangent of a circle and a radius to that point are perpendicular to each other. So dash is called the perimeter. Perimeter of a circle is also called as the circumference. A chord of a circle divides the circular region into two parts. Chord of a circle divides it into two parts. It can be anyways like this. So that is called two parts, which is called as segments. All the diameters of a circle intersect at a point chord. So now you can see these are all the diameter. They intersect at this point. This all can be the diameter. So it intersect at this point, that is called the center. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.